For number 10, we're trying to find the x and the y intercepts. And it does look like you already got the two x-intercepts, and you likely found that by factoring, but just as a review, that is usually what you'll need to do on these kinds of quadratics. For the x-intercept, set y equal to 0 and solve if it's quadratic by factoring. So that's where you get x equals 2 and x equals 5, making your x-intercepts 2 and 0. But when we go to find the y-intercept, we're going to do essentially the opposite. We're going to let x be 0 and then solve for y. So here, when I put in 0 for x, I get 0 squared minus 7 times 0 plus 10. 0 squared is 0, negative 7 times 0 is 0, and so we're just left with y equals 10. And for this point, y-intercepts always have 0 comma something, and since we got our y value to be 10, our answer is 0 comma 10.